Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Hampton Bay Staniford 11-inch LED flush mount light, and this one comes in oil rubbed bronze finish, and it has different colors that you can change into before you install it. It's pretty bright because it has 1002 lumens. So let's take a look. This is the way it came. It only uses 15 watts, and you can dim this light. That's everything out of the box. And you have here some instructions on how to install it. And if you have put up a light before, it's probably the same thing. Here's some hardware. You don't have to change light bulbs on this one because it comes with its own LEDs. This is made out of glass. And I like that the glass has a matte finish. Not that anything's wrong with the glossy finish, I just like the matte finish. And here is the fixture. So this is the side where you're going to install it. This goes into your junction box, and this fixture goes onto here. And these are the screws that you put on last to keep it onto place. There's no changing light bulbs because, as you can see, the LEDs are right here. It is flush mount, so you can either go on a wall or the ceiling right here. And before you install it, or even after you install it, all you have to do is take off the shade and change the color of the light, and it keeps you from warm to cool white. I like the finish. I like this little accent that it has around it. And to put the shade, all you have to do is unscrew this just a little bit so it can sit here, and then screw these on there. So let's take a look at the colors. So here's the warm white color, and once you start changing, it lights up the cooler white color until the warm white disappears. And it's easy to change. All you have to do is take out the shade and change it depending on the move that you're on. I hope this video helped you in some way. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.